everybody out there. Today I'm gonna be making a replacement antenna for my low channel device. Found out these antennas suck in real world condition. I went down to Radio Shack. Love Radio Shack. Gotta bless them. Got one of the little connectors. Got my antenna. All three sides. Kind of finds all three things. Shut one could be here, the medium here, tall one here. Middle soldering iron, solder, electrical tape. Get some wires. So, let me build this and I'll show you the final result. Yeah. Okay, I'm further along my project. You can see here, I have a thing for the thing, the signal thing, and the ground. This red wire. I had to strip off some of the red wire and put it in the ferrule, then lock it down. Yeah, want to give you an update. Okay, there's the state. I put the antenna on. Yes, it's a wrap around the red wire to it and tape it. You'll see the end result pretty soon. Okay, what I'm doing now is wrapping the red wire, because this thing is a little wiggly, to stiffen it, plus to give it more frequency to the ground wave. Okay, I got the wire wrapped around the antenna. It's going to tape it up. You'll see the final result pretty soon. So, see you until next time. Okay, this is the final result. I'll do this to the other two, and I'll see how it works. Hey everybody, this is my finished antenna. So you wind it for the ground wave. You got the signal here. We'll give the cell phone jammer a little more oomph for my buck. So I hope to test it out pretty soon. So, bye. Okay, I just finished my last antenna. I color coded them so it'll be easy for me to know, but I know how big it is or slim it is. So, next thing we're gonna do is test it out. I'll tell you the result later. End of this video. Wait for my next video. Thank you. Okay, to recap. We're replacing these original antennas over here with these antennas, one for my cell phone jammer. Okay. They do fit. These are garbage. These will work very good. So I don't really have instructions for you. Just wanted to show you some of the process, and if you have a cell phone camera, build your own antenna. Get rid of the crappy antenna and build your own. Okay? So, see ya. Okay, this is with the antenna fully extended.